Welcome back to Bike Buzz, your trusted source for everything two-wheeled. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Yamaha MT-07, a motorcycle that continues to define the middleweight naked segment. Whether you're a new rider stepping up from a smaller machine or a seasoned commuter looking for reliable thrills, the MT-07 has always been a go-to choice. But does the 2025 model keep its reputation intact, or does it bring something even better to the table? Let's find out. Design and styling. For 2025, Yamaha has subtly refined the MT-07's aesthetics while staying true to its aggressive, minimalist look. The bike retains its sharp, angular lines, exposed frame, and forward-leaning stance that scream street fighter. New color schemes have been introduced, including a striking matte metallic gray with neon accents, along with updated graphics that give the bike a modern edge. The LED headlight setup remains a key styling point, now slightly reshaped for a more futuristic appearance. The compact bodywork emphasizes the bike's muscular character, while ergonomic refinements to the tank and seat provide better integration between rider and machine. It's not a complete redesign, but it's just enough to keep the MT-07 fresh without alienating its loyal fan base. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 MT-07 is Yamaha's tried and true 689 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. It's the same CP2 powerplant that's been praised for its torque-rich character and approachable performance. For this model year, Yamaha has fine-tuned the ECU mapping to deliver slightly smoother throttle response and more linear power delivery, especially noticeable in lower RPMs and urban riding. Output figures remain virtually unchanged, with around 73 horsepower and 67 Nm of torque, but it's the way this engine delivers that power that continues to impress. There's ample grunt from as low as 3,000 RPM, making it a joy to ride in both city traffic and winding backroads. Yamaha has also improved engine cooling slightly, enhancing long-term durability and performance in warmer climates. Chassis and handling. The MT-07's lightweight steel frame and compact geometry are still among its strongest assets. Tipping the scales at just under 185 kilograms wet, the 2025 model feels nimble and eager to flick through corners. Yamaha has refined the front suspension with a new 41mm KYB fork setup that offers better feedback and a touch more stiffness, improving both confidence in twisty sections and stability under braking. The rear monoshock has also been retuned for a more balanced ride, especially with a passenger or added luggage. While it's not track-focused by any means, the MT-07 continues to shine as a real-world performer with a sporty edge. It feels planted at highway speeds and playful when navigating urban environments. Braking and safety. Braking duties are handled by dual 298mm discs up front and a 245mm disc at the rear, now paired with an upgraded Nissin caliper system for more progressive stopping power. The 2025 model also features an updated ABS system with better calibration, providing more confidence in emergency braking scenarios. A new addition this year is the Yamaha Quick Shift System, QSS, available as an optional accessory, which brings upshifting without the clutch to the MT-07 for the first time. While it's not standard, it's a welcome upgrade for riders who want to push the bike a little harder. Traction control is still not included, but the bike's power delivery remains manageable enough for most skill levels. Technology and features. In terms of electronics, the 2025 MT-07 makes a significant leap forward with its new 5-inch full-color TFT display. It replaces the outgoing LCD screen and brings modern connectivity options, including smartphone pairing via Yamaha's MyRide app. This allows riders to receive call and message notifications, access ride data, and even run basic navigation. Switchgear has been redesigned for easier use, and the new menu interface is more intuitive than ever. Yamaha has also improved lighting all around, with full LED treatment for the headlight, tail light, and indicators. While it's not brimming with tech like some higher-end naked bikes, the MT-07 now feels more in step with the times. Comfort and ergonomics. Rider comfort has seen subtle improvements in the 2025 model. The seat padding has been upgraded, and the revised fuel tank shape makes it easier to grip with your knees, especially under hard braking or aggressive cornering. Handlebar and foot peg positions remain the same, striking a near-perfect balance between sporty engagement and upright comfort. This makes the MT-07 suitable for a wide range of riders, from daily commuters to weekend warriors. Taller riders will appreciate the unchanged 805mm seat height, which still allows flat footing for most without sacrificing ground clearance. Fuel efficiency and range. The MT-07 continues to be fuel efficient, with an average consumption of around 58 to 60 miles per gallon, approximate 4.0 L a 100 km. Optional accessories like the quick shifter, comfort seat, and touring windshield allow riders to customize their MT-07 to suit their specific needs, whether that's. Thanks for watching Bike Buzz. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest, in-depth motorcycle reviews. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.